Hello guys, welcome back to Telvi House channel on YouTube again. Well, since a few weeks off from YouTube, I'm kinda miss you guys. And I also wanna say that I really appreciate much the new subscriber that is recently subscribed to my channel, and I also wanna say that I'm sorry to some of the subscriber who recently watched my video on YouTube and also made some comment, but I could not replying back on time because of I'm kind of lack of the internet. I mean, like, because I'm China, so YouTube server to me is kind of hard to connect it. And also I got a lot of work to do and also a lot of things to study as well. So I hope you guys really enjoy my video and looking forward to see more new subscribers. Well, about today, I wanna tell you guys, I wanna let you guys know one thing, the important thing that many of you guys really wanna know. In this new video, I am gonna show you how to download a video or an MP3 file directed from YouTube. Directed from the video that you watch on YouTube, and it doesn't require any add-on on browser or some specific video downloader or something. No, we don't need that. It's just one simple thing. Well, actually many people have do it. They made it on computer as it is much easy to download, but I feel because of computer is much easy to download, so I don't think I should made it on computer for you guys to see, so I decided to make it on phone instead, because many people have used their phone as much as computer, or in other ways say that they spend their time more than they spend their time on the phone more than the time on computer. So I think people will get more handy on a phone if I made any tutorial talking about how to download a video from YouTube from phone like that. So now I'm gonna show you how to download it. Well, one thing to notice is that they don't require any specific downloader or any add-on on any browser. All it's just a simple requirement. For PC, it required you to edit some link on the browser, but on the phone, here's how it gonna work. Well, in order to download a video from YouTube, you must first have your browser working. Just like the computer, because computer browser is capable to download and store file, but for the phone, for smartphone, no, they can't. For Android, they might be it might be possible, but for iPhone maybe it's not possible, because you can see Safari is not able. They don't capable with storing file or download or storing file. For example, if you try to download a file on Safari like an MP3, when you click on the word download, it doesn't appear up. The download is not appear, but it turned out that the download is turning to be an MP3 file that lets you play at that time. So it's not download but listening actually. So because Safari is hard to do to perform in this process, so we are required to download any app from App Store, any browser that could store a file. So in this video, I'm decide to download an app called in here it's called T download. Here a little bit, yeah, in here you can see it, it's called T download. You can find it on App Store. Just go ahead and search in T downloader like that, and you got it with this logo and with this name, T downloader. So now after you finish download this app, just tap in it. It will appear just like normal browser, let you browse any web, but the capability of it is that it could download a file. So here you can see the word download. They can store a file inside, they can upload file, they have file in here. See, you can add your cloud account or something, but this is not what we are talking about. We're talking about how to download a YouTube video. So in order to download a YouTube video, first you have to go to youtube.com. Alright, now we're typing in youtube.com and let the server load. It's kind of a bit slow because I'm using VPN. Without VPN I cannot load YouTube in here because YouTube is restricted in China. They block a server, both Google and YouTube, so I'm unable to freely surf the web. I'm only able to freely surf YouTube, Facebook, Google using VPN only. So now we have YouTube loaded. Now, for example, you want to download this video. How does a transformer work? So how do you do that? Well, it's simple. First of all, you just tape on the video you want to see, you want to watch. Now it's a video link found. I don't know whether this browser could download or not, but our main target is not to download through browser specific ability or capability. We're just focusing on how to simply download a YouTube video on every kind of device. So in here we're talking about phone. So here's the crucial point. I mean, to download this video, we first have to edit the link up here. You can see. So all we have to do is to delete the word the letter U, B, and E at the end of the word YouTube, like this, and then we click go. Alright, so we have it m.ut.com instead of m.youtube.com. So what we got is that we got the same page as YouTube, but it is a newly designed, which is allow you to download it in both MP3 or a video to what you want. So now we're waiting for it to load. It will load up a few minutes. Alright, here it is. Now we have load up the YouTube page. See how a transformer works. It is exactly the same as YouTube, but they have a function which is allowing you to download an MP3 or an MP4. If you are familiar with the if you're familiar with the video and decide to download it as an MP3 instead, you could tape on this MP3 and click record MP3 right here. But if you're not familiar with it, you want to watch video instead, well, all you have to do is just to tape on MP4 and choose the quality you want. You want it up for 720p or 360p, up to you. So after you have chosen that, you just tape on record MP4. Now it's been doing a record. Few seconds later it will load up the word download. Here you can see that it load up the word download. So we click on download, and after that we click on download again up here, and we have it download in here. You can see how does a transformer work. It's being downloaded now. Here's the process and here's the speed of it. So this is simple, very simple. You can make it on computer as well. Just do the same way as I did. First of all, you go to YouTube, and after that you go to the YouTube video, and after you get into the YouTube video, you go to the link up here and you delete the word the letter U, B, and E, and then tape go, and it will load the new version of web page, which is exactly the same as YouTube channel, but have a capability of download an MP3 file or a video file. So this is all about how to simply download YouTube videos. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're a new subscriber or a new user to my channel, and I really appreciate your subscribe so much. Well, thank you. Bye bye.